Hello, my gingerbread and Jellybean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. This is Plunkett speaking. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the notification bell, subscribe, and share for more. Also, feel free to leave your comment about this topic because a lot of people might be engaged in this topic. Forgive me for looking shabby. It's a pandemic season and everybody looking ugly. As you can see, my hairline might still be there, but anyway, that's not the focus right now. The focus is on this topic. Now, I'm going to talk about the BPO sector in Jamaica and its relevance right now and why people are talking about it. If you don't know, you might know right now because I'm going to share that with you. The call centers in Jamaica are at risk right now because a few persons not a few, like 50 something odd persons have contracted the coronavirus in Jamaica. In the call center, Alcoria or something like that. It's a funny name. Don't want to bite my tongue pronouncing it. Their employees have contracted the virus. Some of them. They're still looking for 100 more employees. They have contracted the virus and pushed Jamaica coronavirus cases to 143 right now. So that's a massive jump. So you have an outbreak in a call center that has like around 700 people working there. That's a risk that can literally cripple the entire country and the efforts of the government right now for caring for people and protecting against the coronavirus, because you have people working in that establishment. Is so much of them, they have family, so to every one person there's like 2-3 persons they can infect, so those 3 persons can infect an next 3 or 5, so you get the gist. So it's like a family tree: grandpa, son, daughter, uncle, this, that, and you spread and the virus kill everybody and boom, we're dead. So now, why is the call center important? The government state this already. The call center is important because it's a sector of Jamaica that produce income for the country. When I say produce income for the country, as you already know or you might not know, tourism provide income for Jamaica. Bauxite provide income, agriculture provide income for Jamaica. Then you have BPO sector, which is services industry. You have to understand that all these things help to pay the bills for Jamaica. When I say pay the bills for Jamaica, what do I mean? When I say pay the bills for Jamaica, you have fuel, you have infrastructure, you have doctors and nurses, you have healthcare system, you have transportation, which is under infrastructure. So you have all these things that you have to do. You have water, you have sewer, you have garbage truck, you have all different type of things that you have to factor in managing, taking care of, and you need money in order to get these stuff done. You need money in order to do these things and so much more. You also have agencies in Jamaica like shelters. You have homes for children that are homeless. You have so much areas that the government have to put money in. There's not enough money, plus you have the debt that you're paying back. So when it comes down to the BPO sector, I'm going to run through some facts for you real quick so you can understand the significance of a call center and how important a call center is. So even though we understand that the call centers should be closed and people, this is my point of view, the call center should be closed and people should work at home. Yes, the data and information needs to be protected from the customers for the business that they have, but you have to understand that the corona don't really care about anybody and we can all get sick and die from it regardless. So the BPO sector is very important to Jamaica. Over the past 5 years, the BPO sector has produced $1.7 billion to the Jamaican economy. That's a $1.7 billion US to the Jamaican economy, and it keep getting higher and higher each year. So within the 5-year period, if you break down that, if you divide 5 into 1.7 billion, you amass 340 million per year to the Jamaican economy. And when you convert that into Jamaican dollars, you get billions of Jamaican dollars that can be used to finance the government. You can buy oil, you can fix road, you can pay teachers and doctors and nurses, police, healthcare workers, you know what I mean, you can do so much more. Everybody that works in the government agencies can get paid because you have that added income coming in. No, why is this important? Why am I stating these facts? It's because Jamaica economy is basically crippled right now, and that is a reality we have to face. What produces a lot of money for Jamaica is tourism, also remittance. Let's look at those two. Tourism need people, you need people coming to the country, you need people flying in, you need to collect the taxes from that. When they fly in, you get a cut. Each flight, you get a cut out of that. Each hotel, pay the taxes, yada yada yada. That spin off into the economy. People go on the road, they buy food, they do all type of things that help to boost the economy. So tourism is the #1 earner for us. The next thing is remittance. What is remittance? People in diaspora, meaning people outside of Jamaica like myself who has family back home in Jamaica, send money back home. When you send money to your country, whether you're in India, Canada, wherever it is, the government get a slice of that cake, and that goes into the government budget for basically, again, financing the country, paying the doctors, nurses, polices. I'm repeating myself. No, the BPO sector is probably the only thing that's helping us right now, generating income not only for the government but for individuals. Another fact that you need to understand about the BPO sector: the BPO sector employs 32,000 Jamaicans. That's young people, older people. 32,000 Jamaicans are employed in the BPO sector. Think about that, right? What are some of the areas that BPO, what kind of areas do they service, the BPO sector service? Say you have a cell phone issue and you make a phone call and be like, oh, my battery is not working, what can I do? That person that is talking to you is working in the BPO sector. Likewise, if your TV not working and you need it to be programmed, they call somebody. That's the BPO sector. So people saying that the BPO sector is not important and need to close down, you have to understand the implication of closing down the BPO sector. Yes, it will help the economy by not spreading the virus, but you have to understand that we need money right now to help fight the said virus. And this is an area where the government is trying to balance, but people are bashing because they're not educated on, you know, the topic of the BPO sector. They don't know the importance of it, and then you have a lot of people commenting in a negative way because they don't understand. So I'm just trying to make this video so you guys can watch it and understand the real implication of losing income for the country. Because if you don't have resources to protect the nurses and the doctors, everybody are go dead. Simple as that. Everybody are go dead, and we can't afford that. So some jobs have to remain open, but you have to just strike a balance where that is concerned, and people just have to educate themselves and understand that. What I would like to see is just the BPO sectors, the employers of these individuals, give them laptops, send them home. If they don't have internet, provide internet, allow them to work from home where they're much safer, so they don't have to be in contact with everybody. That's just the point. BPO sector is important. I don't think the BPO sector should shut down. I just think people should work from home to avoid contact and contaminating other people. So with that being said, educate yourself, people. Be smart, be wise, and just try to support the government and their initiative in trying to stem or trying to go ahead of the curve of this virus that's killing people left, right, and center. It is very serious, and I just hope you understand where I'm coming from with this. So leave your comments down below. Tell me how you feel about it, what you think. Do you understand anything I said in the video? Does it make sense to you? If it does, leave your comment below, and just give the video a thumbs up, remember, subscribe and share to more. I'll be uploading more videos and stuff like that, so remember to give the video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell as well. Stay safe. Corona going around. Build your immune system. Be strong. And yeah, see you around. So JVLOGS, Plunkett, I'm out.